Building an indie business in the center of venture capital. I am Alex Edmonds. People on the internet call me Supreme Rumham, and this is the Building an Indie Business podcast recorded in the Indie Business Studio. Okay, so today I'm going to walk you guys through how to create and edit an abandoned cart email in Shopify. Okay, so let's get into it. Alright, so you start at your Shopify dashboard. Okay, and then you want to go down to the marketing tab, and then marketing tab will open up automations, and then you're at the automations, what's the word I'm looking for? Automations section, let's just call it that. Okay, so then you want to hit create automation, and then it'll give you a bunch of options. You can do abandoned checkout, abandoned product browse, abandoned cart. So abandoned checkout and abandoned product browse, those are kind of new, but you can do whatever. So we're doing an abandoned cart, and then it will show you the workflow. So customer left online store without making a purchase. Abandonment type is equal to cart. Wait 4 hours. Check if customer hasn't added any product and hasn't started checkout and hasn't completed any order since starting the workflow. Customer hasn't received another abandoned cart email in the last 14 days. One or more products are in stock in the cart. Send marketing email. So we can arrange this, but I would just click the turn automation on. Okay, so abandoned cart. No, abandoned cart. I was looking at something else. And then you can edit the workflow. So let's say you don't want to wait an hour. What you want to do is you want to wait 1 hour. Do you just click on the workflow? You click edit workflow. Sorry. And then you click on whatever you want to change. So wait 4 hours, click on that, and then it allows you to change it. So I want to change it to 1 hour. So then you apply changes, wait for it to load, and that's it. Your workflow is changed. Exit. And then to change the email, what you can do is you click on the email, and then click the edit button. You left items in your cart. Okay, you left items in your cart. Items left in your cart, it shows you what's there. What I like to do is I like to offer a discount. So I'm going to click edit, continue. And then so there's the title, you left items in your cart. There's a line. So I like to have the discount be right there, like the first thing that they would see. So after the line, click the plus button, and then you go to discount, and then you have all the options. So I created a discount cart 20, so I click that one, and then it says special offer, 20% off entire order. Use code CART at checkout, and then there's a button that says apply discount. Yeah, you can change the text, make the font bigger if you want. I don't really care. I think it's fine. You can change the color. Color of the button too. So maybe, let's say I make it red. That wasn't red, but That was the exact opposite of red, actually. From a hex code standpoint, it was the complete opposite. So yeah, then, okay, then you save. And that's it. You've created an abandoned cart email. Yeah, that's it. And this is where you can create a bunch of automations. So oh no, I was gonna say let's take a look at all the other automations you can have, but I'll do that in another episode. Okay, that's all I have. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Bye.